How are you guys doing today? Hey, I just want to get on and do a quick project. There's a storm coming, so I'm not sure how my internet's going to hold up today, but it might have already actually started. So hopefully the internet holds up and we'll be good. So as you're jumping on, guys, come in and say hello. Let me know you're here and let me know where you're from. I'm from Northwest Arkansas currently. I work kind of all over the place, but right now with everything going on, I've been kind of hanging out in Arkansas. So that might change in a little bit. But so anyway, let's get started. We're gonna do this little Country Girl real quick. It's gonna be a simple one. This is actually a great one for beginners. And guys, these are our silk screen transfers, and I just fuzz it to kind of help it from being so sticky. So the stickiness is what helps it give it the really nice clean look that you get for this like high-end decor look. So creating it is fun, it's relaxing, it's kind of, you can be, I mean, crafts are kind of part of your therapy anyway, right? But then this one is easy and things actually come out, so it makes it even more enjoyable. If I can get on there. So it's repositionable, so just put it on there until you're comfortable with it. And this is one of our chalkboards, and this one is actually magnetic, and it comes with the starter kit. So if you purchase the our Chalk Couture, which is our monthly kit, then you get an option to get a starter kit, and this is part of the starter kit. So it's also part of our designer kit. So there's two different options there. One, you can actually become a Chalk Couture member, which is you stay a customer, and then a designer, you get your products for 40% off, and you can either do a business or just be a hobbyist. So guys, just put on your paste, and you want to make sure your paste is kind of like a yogurt-like consistency. If not, just put some distilled water in there and mix it up. It's kind of like a sour cream or yogurt-like consistency. Really easy. And then take your squeegee, guys, and I've had a few questions on the squeegee, but don't press down so hard. Kind of do it on a light scale, and then keep it at 90 degrees, and you're going to get a better looking project out of it. It's like almost if you're too hard on the squeegee, then you kind of push it through. But it doesn't need a whole lot of pressure. So just kind of keep it light and fun. Everything's just supposed to be fun, supposed to be enjoyable. And if it's not, guys, that's why I like it to be on a chalkboard, is so that you can play with it. You can wipe it off and start over, and just have fun with your creation. And I like to start with the simpler ones. Like if you're a beginner, guys, I kind of recommend you start with like an 8.5 by 11 or the 5 by 7s. We have some really cute like starter kits right now. There's one that's called like Autumn Skies and Pumpkin Pies. Really cute. Oh, that's my favorite. But pick that up, guys. It has everything you need at 20% off. So there's really several ways to get started and to enjoy the product. So I'm just taking this off, the excess off, and putting it back in my jar. You can see it doesn't really take that much paste. And then we're going to take this up, and you want to do it like top to bottom or left to right. So grab it at the top and just kind of come down with it, and go slow. And if you find an area that you didn't go over very well, you can just put the transfer back down, or the stencil. Some people still call it a stencil, and redo it. Okay. But you can see like this one already has the distressing marks in it. So sometimes you're like, wait, what is it? Did I miss? And then what you guys want to do is just take this to your sink and wash all the white paste off of it, and set it up with the sticky side up, let it dry, and then put it back on your backer sheet with the shiny side and the sticky side together. And then you can reuse it like 8 to 12 times, okay? So invite your girlfriends over, have a little play date, little wine date, and guys, you guys can make some cute little things. I was going to show you this. Let me show you this first. Great for beginners. I kind of made one. Let me get this little project. You see, I did it with like a silver, but you can kind of see there's the windmill there, and then I use our little, another little design that we have, and then this can be reused. I use the same transfer on here, so you guys can reuse it, make it unique, make it fun. But I recommend you guys start here. If you're a beginner, just to get used to the transfers being sticky, get used to applying the paste, and just, you know, making sure you have like a really good experience. But guys, we have a whole new set of transfers. Normally we have about 250 of them. And then yesterday we released our, make sure I'm not getting any comments, and really, really cute designs for obviously fall and for winter, but Halloween and Christmas. And this is one that came back for this catalog, so it is one of our popular ones. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed today, and as always, if you have any questions, let me know. And I hope that our rain is coming to cool things off and give us another little break. I think we got one last week and it was really nice. So our July has actually been great. But anyway, guys, thanks for joining as always. Sprinkle the love with your crafty friends, invite them to the pages and the groups, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.